and our fan and light are going in series. Let's build this and check out how one might get brighter or dimmer or faster or slower. Let's hop into it. So let's grab our battery pack and put it on about C4 to give us enough space. Let's grab our L1 lamp, 3.0 volts or 0.2 amp. We want to be able to open and close our circuit here on the bottom with our slide switch. And put our motor with the plus sign facing the positive on the battery pack. Load our fan. And off we go. We have a light. Ah, but look, it was bright and it got dimmer. What's going on here? As the motor speeds up, the light gets dimmer. What if I very carefully get your grown-up to do this for you, or don't do it at all? If I stop the motor, the light gets brighter. If I let go, it gets dimmer. We're able to change the voltage at these two components, right? So now there's more volts going through that 3.0 volt lamp. Now, what if we don't have the blade at all? Ooh, it's quite dim. And what if we completely bypass the motor, where we let the electricity go through our jumper wires instead? Whoop, the light's super bright and the motor's not spinning at all. Oh, interesting. So now we're able to see and control which component is doing the work. Work of either moving our fan or work of making light. I hope that shines some light on your circuit kit for you. Thanks for building with me. It's always great fun to invent and create together. So go get your grown-up to help you with the printer to print your free gift. There's a new one each week. So check back soon for more snap circuits with Dr. Drew. Dr.Drew. Dr. Drew. See you soon.